All eyes are glued to the Supreme Court today as it takes up the CBI Director's affidavit on the Colgate probe, which clearly admitted that Law Minister Ashwini Kumar and senior officials of the PMO vetted the Colgate report before being submitted. Now, while the Law Minister's fate hangs in balance, a massive fight has broken out between top law officers. The Assistant Solicitor General Harin Rawal has now accused the Attorney General of misleading the Apex Court on the Colgate report.
A crucial day for the government today, as it awaits the Supreme Court's view on the CBI Director's affidavit in the Colgate investigation.
The Supreme Court will be examining two things. One, the CBI Director's affidavit, and two, the CBI status report filed in sealed cover. If they believe that there was interference by the political executive in the working of the CBI, trouble will mount for the government.
But a fresh twist hours before hearing in the court. Government's top legal officers at loggerheads with the Additional Solicitor General Harin Rawal writing an accusatory letter to the Attorney General Ghulam Vahanvati.
It is indeed very saddening, and we also condemn it, that now the Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. Rawal, has blamed the Attorney General that facts are being suppressed from the court.
And late last night, Solicitor General Mohan Parasaran was called by the PMO for a late-night meet as the government firmed up its defence in the Supreme Court.
Till now, the government, including the Prime Minister, have aggressively defended the Law Minister. But sources indicate that if the Supreme Court takes a stern view of what the Law Minister has done, that Ashwini Kumar may very well lose his job. Either way, it will all be clear on Tuesday. And the government will formulate its strategy in Parliament accordingly after that.
For 6 days in a row, Parliament has seen disruptions, with the opposition calling for the Law Minister's resignation.
How do you disrupt Parliament for the whole preceding week on this? This is a sub judice matter. Mr. Ashwini Kumar will be dealt with in the court. The stand of the Government of India will be presented in the court. Mr. Harin Rawal will speak in court. How does the BJP, prior to this debate tomorrow on the 30th, do all this?
While today's hearing will reveal where the CBI investigations are heading in the Colgate scam, but more importantly, what is the Supreme Court's view on the CBI's affidavit on interference by the political executive? Bureau Report, Times Now.